If you struggle with packing toiletries for air travel, especially if you're flying carry-on, I'm revealing my best tips and tricks that will forever change the way you pack. I'm going to show you how to pack quickly, breeze through airport security, and never worry about your liquids leaking or exploding ever again. Since I fly carry-on only so often now, I've perfected my method of bringing all my bathroom supplies, and I don't have to worry about leaks, spillage, or get anxiety when I'm going through the security line anymore. If you're flying carry-on only, for liquids you're allowed 1 quart-size bag. This bag has to hold all your liquids, gels, aerosols, and creams. So my travel hack is to use a quart-size Ziploc bag. This bag is exactly 0.97 quarts in volume. Not only are they the cheapest option out there, they seal watertight, which can't be said about the zippered TSA bags that you can find online. Another thing for liquids is that most people use those refillable squeeze bottles, but I like to use these little refillable pouches. Those refillable water bottles take up unnecessary space. If you don't fill the entire bottle, the bottle still takes up the same amount of space in the bag. And if you're only traveling for a few days to a week, chances are you're not going to need the entire 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters of the product. Since these are a pouch and not a bottle shape, they only take up as much space as you fill them. I've been able to bring so many more different liquids in my carry-on this way. These toiletry skins are the coolest new travel product. For leak-proofing your bottles and containers, just stretch these skins over top of the bottle and now they're completely spill-proof. If you're always worried about something spilling or exploding in your bag, definitely try these out. They work great for shampoo, sunscreen, facial oils, makeup, etc.
I actually had no idea those were a thing. There's so many jokes.
If you're going to be staying in a hotel room, chances are they're going to have soap for you. But if you're like me, you might have sensitive skin or you just don't like the smell of the cheap soaps that they have in hotel rooms. So I like to bring my own soap. This also works double duty. By bringing a bar of soap instead of liquid body wash, this eliminates a large amount of liquid space. You can even cut a bar of soap into smaller pieces to save even more space. Another great way that you can eliminate liquids is to actually use shampoo and conditioner bars. They last so much longer and there's no risk of spills. As an added bonus, a shampoo bar is basically a zero-waste travel toiletry, since there's virtually no packaging or plastic, especially if you go with a natural-based bar. You can also use lotion bars or sticks to eliminate yet another liquid. You can also find sunscreen that comes in a stick. Please note that for many North American airports, a lotion stick is not considered a liquid. If you're in Europe, Asia, or Australia, double check your airport's rules to make sure this is allowed. Facial wipes have always been super handy for travel, but water-activated ones are so much handier. I love using these for a couple reasons. First, you won't have to pack a liquid face wash or makeup remover. Second, these ones won't dry out since there's no liquid in them to begin with. I used to buy these pre-dampened makeup remover cloths, but I would only use a few of them on the trip, and then by the time I went on my next trip, they were dried out and I just had to buy another box. Now, how do you actually pack all of these toiletries? I like to use my hanging toiletry bag. Many hotel rooms never have enough counter space, so I use this bag to hang up in the bathroom, and then this way I can also see everything that's in it. Also, the hook swivels so you can hang it anywhere, and it has 4 storage compartments so you can pack all your must-haves. The genius thing about this bag is that the big compartment has zippers on both ends, so if you need something from the bottom, you can access it without having to dig through everything or take out everything first. Another reason why this bag is a travel game changer is that it's completely water resistant and you can pack it flat if it's unfolded in your luggage. Links to all this stuff is in the description below. I've tried all kinds of things over the years. What I'm sharing with you in this video are the things that actually work for me. I've tested them and they work great. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what your favorite travel hack is for packing toiletries. If these tips were helpful to you, I have a similar blog post where I have additional information, and I also keep adding to it every time I discover a new favorite tip or something that worked really well. So that's where you can stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.